Hello everyone, welcome back to Innovin Foods. Today I am making a super soft and delicious Reshmi Aloo Paratha, perfect for breakfast, lunch or even dinner. This one's always a family favorite. Grate 2 boiled potatoes in a bowl. Mash or grate potatoes well, no lumps for a smooth paratha. Add 1 cup flour, half teaspoon chili flakes, half teaspoon salt, 1 finely chopped green chili, 1 tablespoon oil, and 1 tablespoon coriander leaves. Mix everything well. Now add 3 to 4 tablespoon water gradually and make a soft dough. Potatoes are rich in potassium and energy. Whole wheat flour adds fiber and keeps you full longer. Green chilies and coriander boost flavor and digestion. Rub some oil over the dough. Cover and rest for 10 minutes. Always raise the dough to make it soft. Take a small portion, roll it into a smooth ball. Then flatten and roll it out like a paratha. Aloo paratha originated from the Punjab region and is loved all over India. The word Reshmi means silky. This paratha is named for its soft, smooth texture. It's one of the most popular street breakfasts in North India. You can also stuff cheese or paneer for a twist. Heat a frying pan and place the roll paratha. Cook one side, flip and spread some oil. Use medium heat for even cooking. Brush with butter after frying for extra flavor. Fry both sides until golden brown and slightly crispy. Your soft, flavorful Reshmi Aloo Paratha is ready to serve. Enjoy it hot with butter, curd or pickle. A great balanced breakfast to start your day. And that's our soft and buttery Reshmi Aloo Paratha. A simple yet comforting meal for every occasion. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Innovin Foods. Tell me in the comments what's your favorite side dish with paratha.